مکہ اپنی منزل بنانے لگا، لامکہ اپنی منزل بنانے۔
ہمارے مدرسہ کے اساتذہ کرام نے انگریزی تقریر کا انتخاب فرمایا ہے۔ دینی علوم کے ساتھ عصری علوم بھی یہاں پر پڑھایا جاتا ہے۔ جس طرح سے اور بھی علوم اور بھی فنون یہاں پر مندرج ہیں، اسی طرح انگریزی تقریر بھی یہاں پر بخوبی پڑھائی جاتی ہے۔ اس وقت اس کا مقابلہ کرنا وقت کی اہم ترین ضرورت ہے۔ تو انگریزی تقریر پیش کرنے کے لیے میں ہبہ ارشاد کو مدعو کر رہا ہوں کہ وہ آئیں اور انگریزی تقریر پیش کریں۔
Good evening all of you, respected principal, teachers, honorable chief guest and my dear friends. My name is Heba Irshad. I study in class 3rd. Today I am here to present a speech on importance of education. There is an old English proverb that says, education is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Unlike material wealth which can be lost or stolen, but the knowledge you gain stay with you until your last breath. Many people believe that education is simply about memorizing facts and passing exam. But let us remember the word of the great philosopher Socrates says, education is the kindling of a flame, not the filling of vessel. Real education does not just fill our head with data. It ignites our curiosity. It teaches us discipline, empathy, and value of hard work. It gives us the confidence to stand tall in a crowd and the courage to speak the truth. A famous English thought reminds us, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Yes, the long hour of study and pressure of exam can be difficult, but the life that a good education provides is full of sweetness, respect, and dignity. As we look around here, we see the future, doctors, engineers, artists, and leaders of tomorrow. But more importantly, through education, we see the good humans of tomorrow. At last, I would like to leave you with one final thought. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. My dear friends, let us not study just to get, but study to grow. Let us not learn just to earn, but learn to live better. Thank you for your time, and may we all continue to shine in the light of knowledge.